Before we start this meditation, join me in a very simple invocation for the divine blessing and divine protection to the Supreme God, to the all holy angels, the holy teachers. We humbly ask for divine blessing, your divine love, divine mercy, and in your divine protection when things end in full faith, so be it. To facilitate the flow of energy throughout your entire body, curl your tongue to the roof of your mouth, and then just close your eyes and relax and listen to my voice. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale brilliant white light to every part of your body, and exhale dirty gray black energy out of your body. Inhale joy, love, peace, and exhale anger, stress, and any negative emotion. Now visualize a brilliant ball of light on top of your head, and imagine your body as an empty nest, a tube, if you will, and visualize that brilliant light moving into the tube from the top of your head, pouring in down through your crown, flooding your brain with brilliant light all the way through the sides of your body. Brilliant light in your heart, your lungs, your intestines. Even fill your spine, your muscles, bones, and brilliant light, and imagine that brilliant light pushing down any impurities, down, 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 out of your feet and into the ground. And inhale up and exhale down. Now visualize the ball on top of your head, turning green, and imagine that green light pouring down through your whole body on the inside, and imagine that green light cleansing and purifying any negative energies from any cell, any organ in your body, gently pushing it down out of your feet and into the earth. Slowly breathe in and exhale any impurities out into the earth. Now visualize a ball of light on your head turning purple or violet. And imagine the violet light flowing through every pore, every cell, every tissue, right down to your DNA. Your body just flushing away any remaining negative energies, down, 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 and out of your feet and into the planet. Now be aware of your chest, your heart, and imagine a beautiful flower, a rose even, if you will, in the center of your chest, and smile. Visualize the face of a loved one inside of the flower. Smile at this loved one and tell them how much you love them, how much you care for them, and be still. Now, in front of you, visualize a place that's about the size of a baseball or so. And from that beautiful rose in the center of it. And I would like you to gently radiate beautiful pink light towards the earth, embracing it. You want to share the love that's within your heart for this loved one as well, and to every person, every creature on this beautiful planet, planet Earth. Gently follow me with a very simple universal prayer. Lord, make me an instrument of thy peace. Where there is hatred, let me sow love. Bless every person, bless every creature on this beautiful earth, and with love and peace, especially nations at war. Your friends, your loved ones that are not getting along. Bless them with peace. Bless them with love. Think of all the people that you have hurt. Just bless them with the spirit of forgiveness. Let me sow faith where it does despair. Let me sow hope and think of the loved ones that are going through having a hard time, and bless them with new hope that things will improve, seeing them rising out of their problems, feeling good about themselves, and succeeding in whatever is better as well. Let me survive under sadness Let me sow the joy. Visualize every person. Meet every day smiling with a great joy. Now inhale and gently lift the sensation from your center all the way up, up, up to the top of your head on the crown area. Now visualize a white, beautiful lotus flower on top of your head and just smile at it. See it revealing the face of someone you respect dearly. Could be a mentor, a saint, an angel, the image of a god to you in respect to this person. Be still and just be aware. Now this beautiful glow slowly, gently project a brilliant white light towards the ball in front of you. And just say from the heart that God made every person, every being, every creature in a beautiful planet be blessed with happiness, with joy, with peace, goodwill, and especially the willingness to go out and do good. Every person, every creature, protected with good health, happiness, joy, and spirituality. You can be still and just be aware. Now we'll simultaneously bless the rest from the heart, the crown energy, the centers, symbolized by the rose and the lotus flower, gently radiate golden light from the heart area and from the crown, both towards the beautiful planet in front of you. And silently say, from the center of the heart of God to my heart and to my ground, may every person, wishing every creature on this beautiful earth good health. Make every person, every creature be blessed with loving kindness, with peace, inner peace, and with healing. So be it. Allow yourself to be a powerful instrument of divine mercy, love, compassion to the new world. Let the love within you, the peace that's within you, radiate to every person, every creature, anyone, ever, all over the planet. Now I gently raise your awareness a few inches above your head and visualize a golden flame with brilliant golden light everywhere in your mind's eye, and try and sense the quality of this flame. Try to feel its vibration. Try to sense how the energy fills you. Try to put your complete awareness on this beautiful golden flame in your mind's eye and just look at that flame. The next thing alone, but you complete. Look at the flame and let go. Let go. Let go. Just be still. Oh, that flame. With eyes closed, slowly come back. Let the subconscious simply notice with your fingers and in your toes the sensation trying to be all over your body. Who will release the excess energy we have generated. Just gently rise, your hands facing forward, and your elbows and your hands facing forward. Visualize the earth in part where you can imagine the brilliant light come from here, your hands. Just silently follow me. I mean every person, everything on earth, every creature on earth, the beautiful mother blessed with happiness, great joy, with healing and prosperity and abundance and spirituality. Bless your friends, bless your loved ones with good health, happiness, prosperity, spirituality. Bless your job, your career, your success with advancement and progress. Just radiate about a beautiful light towards the planet. Happiness, joy, and peace. And let's silently say, Supreme God, thank you for the light, the love, and the power especially. Thank you for the divine protection. Thank you, gently open your eyes with a beautiful, wonderful smile, ready for the world, with love for all.